PA system, short for public address system, is an audio amplifier system used in public spaces to transmit sound to a large area. Usually, a PA system includes microphone, mixer, amplifier, speakers, cables, power supply, audio source equipment. PA systems currently available on the market are mainly divided into two types: the newer, more expensive IP PA systems and the traditional analog PA systems. Traditional analog PA systems have the following limitations and issues. Most traditional analog PA systems only provide an audio line-in input, and users need to purchase and install different audio source devices, such as MP3 players, FM radios, Bluetooth receivers, microphone amplifiers, etc. In traditional analog PA systems, if you need to broadcast in different zones and adjust the volume separately, you must separate the wiring for each zone and purchase additional zone selectors and volume adjusters. This results in high equipment and wiring costs, as well as a complex wiring setup. Therefore, it can be seen that traditional analog PA systems require integrating different devices to operate, resulting in complex wiring setups. Furthermore, due to analog power amplifiers, transformers, and multiple device combinations, traditional analog PA systems are bulky and heavy. Analog signals in traditional PA systems lose power over long distances and require transformers, resulting in low electrical power efficiency, heat generation, and the need for additional fans. In traditional analog PA systems, the sound is actually transmitted directly in analog form over the wiring. However, during long-distance transmission, each speaker actually experiences different line impedances based on its location. These different line impedances can affect the sound quality and volume, and each speaker output is not the same due to the varying length and position of the wiring. In conclusion, traditional analog PA systems require specialized knowledge for installation and wiring setup due to their complexity. To solve the issues of traditional analog PA systems and maintain a simple, inexpensive wiring method using only two core cables, the Digital Intelligent PA System, DIPA, was developed. The answer to this is the new model PA system called Digital Intelligent PA System, or DIPA for short. The DIPA system is mainly composed of the audio source end and the speaker receiver. The audio source end includes a multimedia input touchscreen host server, power supply, optional gooseneck microphone, infrared remote controller. The speaker receiver end provides an indoor receiver that can be connected to a speaker, and provides an outdoor IP66 waterproof horn speaker. It is very simple to set up the whole DIPA system. The first step, set up the speaker ID by the dip switch. Connect speaker to SPK connector. Connect the 2-core wire to the line connector. The 2-core wire has no polarity requirement. Connect the wire to DIPA host server, plug in power adapter, and power on. Compared to traditional analog PA systems, DIPA has the following advantages. Single unit integration of audio input in DIPA system, including line-in, MP3 player, Bluetooth, FM radio. Within a simple 2-core wire cascade wiring, it can easily achieve enable/disable individual speaker zone groups and adjust the volume. You can group speakers and input sources, the volume setting as folder macro key, user-friendly. DIPA is compact, lightweight, yet powerful, with high power efficiency and no heat. The DIPA system is a game changer in the world of PA systems. It's modern, efficient, and user-friendly, providing numerous advantages and features that solve the problems of traditional systems. With DIPA, you get a superior audio experience at a lower cost and without complicated wiring. Say goodbye to limitations and hello to exceptional sound quality. Choose DIPA and transform your audio experience today.